So we are on a mission. We decided that our garden, we just let it go a little bit, and we decided that we need to do some work on it. So that is what I'm going to start off now. I'm just going to show you the state of the garden now, and then over time we will film how we do our improvements, and then hopefully we'll have a nice after. So before you'll see now, and then after in the same video. Okay, so we don't have a big area for outside area, so we do have a nice succulent garden here, which probably doesn't need a lot of changing. I have recently planted this in a pot. This is a bougainvillea. Then this is our lemon tree, which has really been struggling, and I'm not sure if we're even going to keep this. Then the rest of it is pots with just a lot of junk in here. And then right at the end there's a herb garden which we'll keep. So we'll just tidy up and keep some herbs here. So you can see I've got some rosemary, there's some parsley, some mint coming up here. I've got some some chives, a dead thyme or oregano, and then here this is basically sorrel. Okay, this is the other side of the house. It's at the kitchen side, just a small area. Here we've already planted some clivias, which even started to flower. But we've got a lot of this, I'm not sure what it is called, which is actually, it doesn't look bad, but it is actually, it's a weed. And then this I also planted, but this needs tidying up in some pots. And then here in this area, we probably just need to clean up a bit here and throw away stuff that needs to be thrown away. And then I have a compost bin here, which basically I've been throwing old food stuff and carton boxes and paper in here. It really has been very handy, and it's a good thing to not throw your organic waste in the bin, but to rather have something like this. All the weeds and stuff I'm going to clear up now will also go in.